I welcome you all to the first session of Transcriptomics, Biomedical Data Science and Drug Discovery. This innovative summer online program that discusses several key technologies relevant to modern biomedical data science research is designed to introduce participants to the application of data science to important challenges in clinical and pharmaceutical applications using practical examples that cover genomic, transcriptomic, and structural data. This collaborative program has been brought to you by Pine Biotech USA, Pharma Academy India, Pharma Toppers India, and ProBiotechnica India. We now live in a world that is recording data every day. The healthcare data related to the clinical trials, electronic medical records (EMRs), genetic information, care management databases, billing, internet research, and social media data is growing massively and pose a challenge to the community of students, scientists, and researchers. This challenge is also an opportunity to learn and discover from the vast amount of information that is now available publicly. After working for last several months with a group of experts and industry leaders, we are now excited to bring this unique opportunity for students to learn and work on real data discovery pipeline for a disease or an indication. To give a brief introduction of the associations, Pine Biotech is a US-based company that provides resources, solutions, and training for research and education in biomedical informatics. We have been developing an innovative approach to incorporate bioinformatics training, educational materials, and biomedical specializations for university, companies, and top research labs. Pharma Academy is a special wing under the Pharma organization that focuses on grooming the students of the universities nationwide given and give them the confidence to rule the world of pharma and biotech industries. Pharma Toppers, a pioneering institute committed to provide refined education to pharmacy aspirants and training programs in bioinformatics, pharmacovigilance, etc. ProBiotechnica Research Private Limited has a mission to equip and empower every student and faculty with the latest technology and tools to create an edge for others. In the second phase of this research-based training program, we will start learning about the important omics data types, that is to be able to analyze and understand the application of RNA-seq NGS data in biomedical and other research. The program will leverage our top-rated online tutorials using the Eduty Bioinfo portal, the smart tracking of activity and curated datasets designed for a great learning experience. We will combine online sessions, self-guided study materials, and practical assignments for an immersive experience that has proven to be effective in our well-known and respected Omics Logic programs. We will learn important concepts within biomedical research, infectious diseases, cancer research, and learn about the immunology of infection, molecular disease markers and stages, and how these diseases can be diagnosed and treated. Several bioinformatics methods will be talked about, such as processing, RNA-seq and differential gene expression, and more. Finally, we will look at sample projects and learn how to create our own projects with the bioinformatics methods. By learning these major concepts, you will be well equipped to start your own project. For different parts of the session, we will leverage Omics Logic resources that you can use to learn about genomics, asynchronous coursework with theoretical material, quizzes, and practical assignments, our cloud-based analytical server where you can analyze large genomic data and visualize results, the Omics Logic Code Playground where you can practice coding in R and Python, as well as a repository of project examples. Let's start by signing up to learn.omicslogic. This educational portal will help you get started on your bioinformatics journey. Now I request you all to please go to your browser and type in learn.omicslogic. If you're not yet signed up, then please sign up. I would be giving you 2 minutes to sign up. So once you are signed up, yes, so you can sign up either with your email ID and generate your password, or also you can sign up with any of these social media. So once you are signed up, you can go to courses where you would have plentiful of courses in different fields of bioinformatics. And if you are looking for a way to start with, then maybe you can start with Bytes and Molecules course, which would actually help you understand each and every insight of bioinformatics and the role of bioinformatics in different fields. Also, you can filter out the field from here and learn more. We also have different programs which happen every month. So these are monthly programs, and we have just started with the Bioinformatics for Infectious Disease program. And also today we would be starting with this Transcriptomics Biomedical Data Science program. Then we have the Code.omics Logic portal as well. So this playground would help you practice R and Python code. And then we have the tBioInfo server, which has different sorts of utilities for different project analysis. We would see how to analyze these utilities and do your own research project. So throughout this course, you will be given directions to access the tBioInfo platform for bioinformatics processing and analysis of transcriptomics data. The platform includes demo pipelines as well as data management and analysis cloud infrastructure to run bioinformatics pipelines. Different stages of analysis are performed in different sections of this multi-omics platform. In each course, you will load, transform, and visualize data in R or Python. In the first scheduled live session of the program, we will learn about the application of transcriptomics data on biomedical research, mRNA library preparation, mapping on transcriptome, TopHat, HiSat, Bouty2G, Sailfish, and methods of RNA quantification. Also, we will have a look at the associated online courses and resources. In the last decades, transcriptomic-based analysis has been one of the most utilized approaches to investigate human diseases at the molecular level. Through these expression studies, many molecular biomarkers and therapeutic targets have been found for several human pathologies. And to talk more about omics logic education and research and application of gene expression in biomedical research,